Hey besties! Today's video is all about how to create beautiful marble looks with acrylic. There are a lot of different ways to do this, so I'm going to show you a few different techniques. The important thing to remember is that there's no right or wrong way, so you just have to have fun with it. Let's go! Today I'll be using a bunch of colors: clear, ultra white, beachin, citrus kick, glow up, piece of cake, falling for you, mystic, jaunty, and pixie. And I'll also be using Glam and Glits Back to Basics liquid monomer, a size 10 Kolinsky brush, a medium ceramic safety bit, a medium grit hand file, and a medium grit buffer block. Kiara Sky's non-wipe top coat, Nourish oil. Okay, so for this first marble, I'll be using ultra white, clear, beachin, and mystic. Clear is going to be the first color I'll pick up, followed by white, then my darkest color, beachin. It's really important to pick up your darkest color last so that it doesn't bleed into the other colors as much and overpower them. I always pick up my glitter separately so that they don't mix with my other colors. I really want that glitter to stand out. Now I'm going to wet the nail with monomer. This helps set the acrylic and it also helps eliminate bubbles from forming. I'll go in with a bead of my three colors and place it in the middle. All I'll have to do is slightly press down into different directions and it basically marbles on its own. In between the beads of marble, I'm going to add some sparkle and I'm just basically going to tuck it in. Then I'll go back in with all three colors again and apply it right under where I just placed my glitter. This is so beautiful already, look at that. Now I feel that I have enough blue down here already, so I'm just going to grab clear and white and put a little bit at the end and then finish it off and tuck in my shape. I always start in the middle, working my way down and then work my way back up. This is because marble can be messy and I don't want to get it all over the cuticle, so I like to do that part last. This also helps with the flow of the marble. So I'll grab all three colors again and place it up top. The important part here is getting it around the cuticle nicely so we don't flood the cuticle. And there's a tiny bit missing here, so I'm just going to grab some clear and white and tuck it in right there. And there's my first marble, guys. Doesn't that look great? Okay, now for my second marble design, I'm going to replace beachin with citrus kick. Ooh, I love this color. I'm going to use jaunty as my sparkle. Jaunty is my go-to glitter that I use all the time. So this is going to be the same concept, just a different color placement. After wetting the nail, I'll start by grabbing all three colors and place it in the middle, pushing up, pulling down, then tuck the glitter in right there. And to make this one a little different, I'll tuck in some glitter up top too. Now for the rest of this nail, I'm just going to use white and clear to give it kind of a stone look. An important thing to remember is to pay attention to your shape when you're laying these beads down, since you're not moving them around a whole lot. Make sure you're constantly paying attention to your sides before they dry, or else you'll have a lot of work to do when it comes time to file. Second nail done. For this third marble, I'm going to use Glow Up and Pixie, and I'm going to throw in one more color, Piece of Cake. This time I'm going to show you another technique. I'm going to grab two colors per bead this time, starting with clear and white, and drop that on the nail and get it really wet so that these colors can blend around more. Then I'll pick up Glow and Pixie and place them. See how they bleed together more this way? Add a little more yellow and a little more pink right here, and because all of the colors are bleeding together, if you feel you need more of one color, go ahead and just add it by itself. Now I'll add some glitter and just follow the flow of the marble. I love this glitter too, it's so pretty. So I'll just finish up the top of this nail, adding some yellow and some pink, and let that bleed in a little. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more glitter. Look at how pretty that is, you guys. Okay, 3 down, 2 to go. Now for this one, I'll be using Piece of Cake and Jaunty. I'll start with grabbing white and clear together and placing them in the middle as always. Then I'll tuck in some pink and tuck in my glitter. I'll add another bead of white and clear and add a little bit of pink right here, again making sure to shape up my sides. I'll add a little more pink up top and a little more glitter, finishing it off with white and clear. And there you have it, our fourth nail is done. Now for the thumb, I'll be using Falling For You and Mystic. I'll wet the nail again, and when I pick up the beads this time, I'm going to grab a lot of clear and orange and only a little bit of white. Again, place it, push it up, pull it down, and then just let it be. Let them continue to blend on their own. Now I'll add my glitter and get these pieces tucked in really well. Pick up another bead the same way with only a little bit of white, add another small bead of color, grab some glitter, and this time I'm going to try to get a ledge right here and change the direction a bit. With marble nails, you can always move the direction around to create more variation in your design. So for the top, I'll grab my colors again, but this time I'll place the bead going the opposite direction. I'll add some silver right there, another bead of color at the cuticle, and finally another bead right here to finish out the nail. This one is going to look so cool once it's drilled down. Now I'm going to drill down 3 of these nails before capping with clear. This will help reveal more of the lines and veins in the marble. I'll show you what I mean. See how these lines just start revealing themselves as I drill? I'm basically just filing until I reveal all of this marble and I'm happy with the look. Now with this nail, I'll just do the same thing. Start drilling down the green, and once I'm happy with that, I'll work my way down the nail. Now the final nail I'll do this way is the thumb, so I'll drill it down starting at the cuticle. See this line revealing itself? It looks like a vein in a real marble. You can really see the different layers under the nail. That's so pretty. Okay, now it's time to cap the nail, so I'm going to grab my clear. I'll wet the nail again, grab a bead of clear, and start at the cuticle, working my way down, and I'll repeat this on each nail. Capping the nail is super important when doing a marble design like this in order to add strength back into the nail. Clear acrylic is the strongest acrylic because it has no pigmentation and it's just pure acrylic. So you'll usually want to cap any color acrylic or glitter acrylic with clear, especially in this case. Now it's time to file, shape, and buff the nail, so I'll grab a medium grit hand file and straighten out the sides and free edge of each nail. Now I'll go in with a medium ceramic safety bit and hit the tops of these nails just to get rid of any lumps and fine tune my final shape. Then I'll gently buff the top of these nails with a buffer block to just smooth out any grooves from the file. Finally, it's time for the top coat. So of course, we need to finish these nails up with Kiara Sky's non-wipe top coat, and we'll cure for a full 60 seconds. And finally, no nail service is complete without Nourish Oil. Now she's ready for pictures. Thanks for joining me today, besties. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified when we post another video just like this one. Bye!